Most people never get rich because they're following the wrong roadmap. Here's the exact sequence that actually works. 97% of people skip step 1. That's why 97% stay broke. This isn't motivation. This is mathematics, the roadmap that turns dollars into millions. Meet Jake, 25 years old, $5,000 salary, 0 savings. He thinks he needs to get rich quick. Meet Emma, same age, same salary, different roadmap. She follows the sequence. 30 years later, their bank accounts tell completely different stories. Let's see how. The framework has 4 steps, not 5, not 3, 4. Skip any one and the whole thing collapses. Step 1, stop bleeding money. Jake spends everything. Emma audits her spending. She finds $400 wasted monthly. $400 doesn't sound like much, but Emma invests it. At 7% annual return, that's $2.3 million in 40 years. Jake thinks he'll save later. Emma knows time is the asset. By 30, she's built the foundation. Jake's still broke. Step 2, build a small emergency fund. 3 months of expenses. Not 1, not 6, 3. Emma saves $12,000. Jake skips this. 6 months later, his car breaks. He goes into debt. Emma pays cash. She stays on track. This step feels boring. That's how you know it's working. Boring builds wealth. Exciting destroys it. Step 3, eliminate high-interest debt. Emma has none. Jake has credit cards at 21%. That's wealth termination. Emma dedicates an extra $200 monthly. Jake ignores it. After 5 years, Emma's debt-free. Jake's deeper. Here's the math. $200 monthly at 21% interest takes Jake 14 years to clear. Emma already moved to step 4. Step 4, automate investment. Emma sets up automatic transfers, $300 monthly to a target date fund. She never thinks about it again. Jake tries to pick individual stocks. He reads blogs. He loses money. Emma stays with the SP 500. She sleeps well. From age 30 to 65, Emma invests $300 monthly. Market average return, 9.8%. Total invested, $126,000. Her final number, $1.6 million. Not because she earned a fortune, because she followed the sequence. Jake finally starts investing at 40. He invests the same $300 monthly. His market time is only 25 years. Jake's final number, $290,000, 680% less than Emma. Same monthly amount, just late to start. But the roadmap works at any age. Emma's 50 with no investments. She can still reach $1.2 million by 65. The framework requires patience. Emma watched the 2008 crash. Stocks dropped 57%. She kept investing. Jake panicked, sold everything. Locked in losses. Never recovered. Emma's 300 bought more shares cheap. That decision created $400,000 extra. The sequence is non-negotiable. Skip step 1, you're wasting step 4. Skip step 2, one emergency destroys everything. Order matters. Step 1 took Emma 6 months. Step 2 took 3 months. Step 3 took 5 years. Step 4 was the rest of her life. Now Emma lives on the investment returns. 3% withdrawal rate from 1.6 million equals $48,000 annually. Forever. Jake works until 72. Social Security covers basics. He has constant money anxiety. Emma chose freedom at 65. The roadmap isn't sexy. No get rich quick. No cryptocurrency fortune. Just 4 steps executed with discipline over decades. Emma's friends called her cheap. They bought luxury cars at 30. Emma drove a Toyota. Their net worth, negative $15,000. Emma's Toyota cost $30,000 used. Ran for 15 years. Cost her 0 status. Freed her to build $1.6 million. The sequence works in inflation, in recessions, in booms. It works because it's based on human behavior and compound mathematics. Emma also increased her income. By 55, she earned $120,000 annually. More to invest. The roadmap accelerates. That extra $70,000 salary went straight to step 4. Extra monthly investments created another $600,000 in wealth. The roadmap is simple. Stop bleeding. Build safety. Eliminate poison, automate wealth, 4 steps, 30 years, $1.6 million. You don't need luck, you don't need connections, you need sequence and patience. Jake had the same opportunity. Emma chose differently. New video every day on Finance North Star. Subscribe to watch how others followed this roadmap. Your wealth starts with the next step. If this roadmap clicked for you, hit like. Share it with someone still stuck in Jake's mindset. One person changes everything. Watch next how compound interest creates your first million, the mathematics that changes everything. Click now.